Hello, welcome to my commerce project for CS50's web programming. So here we are on the active listings page where I have access to the listings. So I can go into this one here. Here are the details, the price, the description. I can bid on this. If I try to place an incorrect bid, we're presented with a warning. So I just go ahead and bid on that one correctly. I can add it to my watch list, make a comment. We'll go to the other one, bid on that one to add to the watch list. Here's the watch list here, where I have access to the listing. I can remove it from there or remove it directly from there. I'll go and create a listing. Here it is here. And as the owner, I now have the ability to close. So I just go check the categories here. Here it is in antiques. We're taken to it. Same with sports and for empties. So I'll just go in and log in with another user. As the owner, I can close this bid here, which has been sold. I'll go and bid on this one. Now log back in. We won the basketball while we were away. And under the dashboard here, auctions we're currently winning, auctions we've been outbid on, and auctions that we have won. And in my listings, current active auctions and auctions I have successfully sold. So the models here, user, listing, bids, watch list, winners, comments, and just the admin site. Where I can make changes. Thank you for your time.